Ever wish you had a simple way to stay organized? Smartsheet.com helps you track projects, manage tasks, and work together with your team all in one place. It's like a superpower for your to-do list. Give it a try and see how easy it is to stay on top of everything. So hello guys, I hope everything's doing well firstly, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Smartsheet.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into smartsheet.com, sorry, and then you'll find this page as you can see. So this is the home page. Before getting started, by the way, and if you want to get started, you click over here, try Smartsheet for free, and then you get started. So I will show you the all steps that you will face after your signing up. Also, if you want to sign up, you have to click over here and you add up various information, use your Gmail to confirm, and then you will find a dashboard after creating your password and you get started. Also, we have here other options how you can create, for example, and how you start a new project and create your project program or process, and how you can choose a template after choosing the template, and the various things that we will face. Firstly, right now let's just know what is Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a super handy online tool that helps you organize and manage tasks, projects, and teams. It's like a smart spreadsheet that lets you track everything from to-do lists to big projects, share updates with others, and stay on top of deadlines all in one place. Perfect for getting things done and working together smoothly. Alright, so let's just come back right now to the top, and then you click over here, try Smartsheet for free. Then you'll find at the page, which is this one. You have just to enter your work email address, and then you have to choose, or firstly click over continue after waiting the privacy notice. If you want to log in, you click over here to find your account, and then it will be appear here under this files one, some files that you have to link it, which is your name, and then we have the last name, also we have the phone number and other things. Then you click over continue and you'll find at a page, which is this one. Here we have please check your inbox. To activate your account, confirm your email address by clicking the link in the email we sent to you. Then you'll find at a page, or you have to go to your Gmail. So you have just to open your Gmail for you have an account, or you can just go and dive into mail.google.com, and then you sign up from with the email that you already enter here with his password. Then you will find one email which is from Smartsheet. So you have just right now to click over confirm email. We have here just start using your Smartsheet account. Click the button to confirm your email address, and then we'll click over confirm email. Then you'll find at a page which is this one. Alright, so here we have it right now. So to use Smartsheet, start by creating a sheet to organize your tasks or projects. You can add tasks, assign them to team members, and set due dates. Use features like checkboxes, status updates, and timelines to track progress. You can easily collaborate by sharing your sheet, adding comments, and getting real-time updates. Plus, Smartsheet lets you automate reminders and workflows to keep everything running smoothly. It's a simple way to stay organized and work together efficiently. Alright, so let's get it started right now by clicking over Start a new project, program, or process, and then you'll find here those templates. You have just to choose one of these. But before, let's just discover those things. Firstly, we have here the home page, the browse, then we have here also resource management, and we have here start a new project program, and here we have it's the same as you can see. We have a plus and plus again. Then we have also other options, but this is the one who are the one that we will discover, which is this one. And we have a resource management, and then we have also browse, we have it here, and that's it. So let's just move into the browse firstly. So the browser, you will find here work application, and if you click over work application, you'll find this page. You'll find the thing that you shared and the horizontal update, and that's it. Then we have here firstly sheets. If you want to create a sheet, you click over here and just start choosing. If you want to create task list, project, cards, browse template, import Microsoft project, import from Google Sheets, import from Atlassian. Then we have here workspaces. If you want a new workspace, project again, and we have here those one. It's the one that I created first, or I already created. Alright, so right now we have workspace again. About this one, you will find here create, and you start creating by choosing the grid or task list, project, cards, browse template. Then we have here import Microsoft Excel, import Microsoft project, import from Google Sheets, and import from Atlassian as well. Then we have also here the option of resource management, as you can see. So about this one, you will find here resource planning for every level of your organization. Assign the right people to the right work at the right time. We have your balanced workloads. Ensure work is evenly distributed across your teams to avoid burnout. We have track time with ease, forecast with confidence as well, and it will click over request free trial and they will get started. Then we have also here the button of start a new project, program or process, and about this one you have just to click over here. But before, let's just also here know about resource management firstly, more and more. So we have just to click request free trial, then you add your first name, your last name, your phone number, and then you add here what's your timeline for implementing resource planning. After that, select immediately, short term, medium term, long term, not sure, or evaluate options, or we have here not current plans. Then we have what's your biggest challenge with managing resource. You have just to respond, then you click over submit, and you'll find this page. We have here my work, people, schedule, project, and report. Just to select the one you want and you get started. Then we have here also the option of start new project, program, or process. You have just to choose the template that you want. If it's here popular or start from scratch, or you have also here choose on your workspace starting point if you want a grid, report, form, dashboard, timeline, Gantt, and we have your board. I will select, for example, here guided project setup. You have just to add entitled project and the name, then you choose if you want to get word and board. I will select the second one. Then we'll click over next. I will skip all the steps. Then I will just next dashboard build a project. You have to build a new project is successfully. Then you'll find at the page which is this one. I have just to start right now by adding those things. For example, I don't like this one, I will delete it. The same with those things. And right now we'll just start from the scratch and I will here add whatever I want. Also I will use here the date and you get started. We have other options such as the file automation, forms, connections, and we have also here that could help me. As you can see, you will have also if you want to add other things, if it's sheet, report, dashboard, folder, import, and other things. So that's it for this one right now. And then let's just come back. So Smartsheet is a powerful yet user-friendly tool that helps you stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate with ease. Whether you are tracking tasks, setting deadlines, or automating workflows, it keeps everything in one place, making teamwork more efficient and less stressful. It's a smart way to get things done and keep your project on track. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.